What are you doing? Driving. Go this way.
I want to get that wagon thing after he's done and put Isaac in it. That would be so cute.
You're gonna go up the edge. Isaac! What are you doing, bud? What are you doing?
Sprinkle it on Ellie. Uh-oh. Go carry something with you. Smile for Mama.
What are you doing, Ellie?
Oh, thank you. The corn made. Yeah, let's put some in your pocket right here.
Ellie got it.
There you go.
He loves this.
Very neat. Tractor.
Hi, buddy. Come on. Come on. Whoa. Come on, buddy. Oh, he's stuck. There you go. There he is. Wow. Good job, Ellie. Good job! Whee! Again. Get out.